ground floor first. Ow, those. Actually, I'm going to take it with me so I can show you how to turn it off. Because there's a new way to... What's going on? Y'all need to start telling me when you're cooking stuff. It won't take a while. It's very smoky. Hey, wait! Hot! Open the window. There, I made it so I don't have to press it again. I'm going to go off again. Well, if I turn the fan off, it'll go off again. It's very smoky right there. It might go off. The fan should hopefully prevent it. Stupid bug is still on that door. It's a wonder for kind of that kind of thing. It normally shuts off after. Dang, bro. I didn't see a smoke traveling. Mom, don't turn off the fan until all the smoke cleans out. Okay? Look how you see how smoke. Here, let me show you how smoky it is. It might go off again, but I'm hoping this fan will prevent it. So it's supposed to keep the smoke away. I need to make sure I actually turned it off. Yeah, I was able to reset it without making it go off again. Look how smoky it is. Yeah, I'm gonna film this way. To film up. Oh no, the fire alarms might go off again. Should I make the smoke alarms go off again? The fire alarms might go off again.
Oh, we got a fire going over here.
Fire! Well, it's not gonna go off. My fan might have done the trick. Oh boy.
Ah, what's going on?
What? Oh boy, it might go off again.
Getting a fire over here.
We're getting a fire over here. Turn it off.
Probably with my meat frozen.
Well, that's why I put the fan over there, but it might go off again. Upstairs. We're having an emergency fire evacuation drill right now, guys. Oh boy. We gotta go outside. Oh yeah, if I turn the fan off, it's gonna go off again. Yeah, it's getting smoky, it's getting worse. I think it's gonna go off again.
It is smoky.
What?
It is smoky in it.
Well, the fan is helping it not to go back off. Because Caitlin got pissed off. I don't know, it might go off again. I'm gonna go get the headphones out of the car. Because we got something going
You
on.
don't need that.
Should I make it go off again? I don't know, it might go off upstairs. Oh my goodness, the fire alarm. I don't know, guys. It might get set off again, but I'm hoping my fan's helping it. Well, normally it might go off again. I don't know. I'll put you right here just in case it gets set off. But I'm not turning off the fan anytime soon, so I'll turn the fan off. Okay, now we're having an emergency evacuation. Now, Here's what I might do. I might make it go off again. Ooh, yeah, let's make it go off again. You don't have to do this thing for a while, though. Still smoking. Alright, we should have another fire. Alright, guys, I'm gonna do another fire alarm. It's gonna go off again. I'm gonna do the fire alarm again. Alright, guys, the fire alarm's gonna go off again. I turned the fan off. Look, I better tell Mom. Charlotte, tell Tate when the fire alarms are gonna go off again. Alright, we're gonna do it again so we can hear them in the basement. Guys, we're gonna have another fire drill again. There it is! Ha ha! That's very quick! I didn't hear it. Okay, fan back on. I turned the fan off. It will shut off in a minute.
Go back to bed. 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 Go back to bed.
Now I gotta reset it. There. Done. Alright, we're not turning the fans back off anymore. I was nice to do that. We should have not have done that. Go back to bed, Tate Whitehead. Yeah. There you go. We're not turning the fan back off anymore. Cause that really set it back off. As soon as I turned the fan off. How cool was that? Said you got to miss the activation. But we are not doing it anymore. Now I just gotta make sure it don't go back off. The reason why I made it... let me talk. The reason why I let it go back off is I shut the fan off. We're done. I'm not turning the fan back off anymore. Might go off up there. What? No, it might go off again. Well, still, it's smoking. If it goes off again, it will be your fault. Alright, it might go off again. I hope it doesn't get set off again. I'm going to basement just in case. Tell Caitlin. Alright, this is attempt number 3 of what it being done. It might go off again, it might not. I actually want to back up. They're too loud. I hope they don't go off again. I'm gonna stand right here. Just in case. See, we didn't get to go back to the unfinished part to show you because it already was going off. I think it's done. Sorry that you had to hear all that yelling. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post it on YouTube now. It's not gonna work out. I think we are all clear, but I'm gonna give it a few minutes. The reason why it went off again because I made a bad decision by turning off the fan. Because I made it go off again, and then Caitlin got all upset. I think it's done now. I'll give it a few minutes. That'd be a good video to show what happened. I think we are done. I think this is it. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't set off again. We'll give it about a few more minutes. It's keeping me from doing my stuff I need to do to get ready for the event. What time is it? Yeah, it's 3:07 p.m. See, now I'm not able to get my old phone ready now for church. I think we are done. How dare Caitlin overreact like that?